So KYC, we have a pretty comprehensive KYC process. We have a good number of articles up on our resources page, which detail how we do KYC and how comprehensive that is and why it's important for Web3 teams to take on KYC. A lot of people are familiar with having to do individual KYC in order to use a service, a centralized exchange. But I think having project teams verify themselves and stand behind their projects publicly is a really powerful tool for building the trust in the ecosystem that we need. So here we've got a ranking of KYC verified teams. Is that correct?
Yeah, correct. So, as you mentioned, these are all teams that have gone through CertiK's KYC process, which is the most rigorous and prestigious process within the Web3 ecosystem. So these are teams that we vetted. We fully have verified their identities, and at the same time, they've taken additional measures to create some accountability for themselves. So the first thing that users might notice here is in the KYC column, there's this badge. And so what that represents is the KYC badge tiers that we've set up. So if we go on Shentu chain and we hover over the KYC badge, you can see that these badges, they say like what level of verification they are. So we have 3 tiers. We have gold, silver, and bronze. Gold is our highest level of verification. So that means that the project not only passed our KYC check, but based off all of the different risk factors that we evaluated, which at this point we're evaluating almost 100 different risk factors on the team. We've measured that they're extremely low risk, right? So that's what the gold verification kind of indicates. Silver, indicates kind of an in between, and then bronze means there were some risk factors picked up, or the project's age might be a little bit old, too new. So, there's not enough to verify in that case. So, that level of differentiation, I think, is very important for our users to understand.